Good day everyone, my name is Wong Wei Kang, and today this design will use an op-amp which is LM386N-4, one of the biggest and one of the popular operational amplifier to create an audio amplifier. And the specialty of this LM386N-4 is it has a very low voltage consumption, but it can produce a very big the volume output. And at the same time, the LM386N4 is designed to drive the low impedance loads. It can drive minimum to 4 ohms up to 32 ohms, and it can create a very powerful audio signal.
Okay, so now this is the design circuit for the audio amplifier. Here is the audio input where the channel is the mono. Actually, it has a two audio input which is left and right. And here, the two audio input will be combined and become the mono audio. And this place is the potentiometer. And here, this design will use the 50% show the result first. This is the inward input, can be ignored, and this is the grounding. This is the bypass. Here is the VCC. It will connect it to the pin 6. This part is a decoupling capacitor. It helps to stabilize the input or the output. Pin 1 and pin 8 is used for the gain. If you put the 10U from the pin 8 to the pin 1, it will be short circuit and the gain will goes to maximum, which is 200 gain. But here I put a 1K resistor, so the gain will approximately at the 40 to 47. While this part is the coupling, is for blocking the DC signal to the output and smoothing the AC signal. And this part is act as a current reservoir. So now I will start the simulation. Yes, the audio it can be producing, but it's due to my CPU load. I show it again. Yes, it somehow it can produce the audio, but due to my PC, my CPU is not really supporting this IC's application. So when the audio is produced, when the output is produced, it will take a lot of the CPU load, which makes the sound delay, or it will just lagging. Okay, so this is the potentiometer from 0% to 100%. While this one is from 100 to 0%. And this part is for the resistor by connecting two 10K resistor. To compare, to analyze the differences of the speakers, here I will use two types of the speaker. One is the 8 ohm, which 0.5 watt of the speaker, and another one is 4 ohm impedance and 3 watts of the power. And this is the first design circuit, and this is the where the place where found out the difference of the capacitor will affect the outputs. Here, when the capacitance is lower than 220 microfarad, the audio will not be clear and it have a lot of unnecessary noises.
In conclusion, LM386N-4 operation amplifier is a very interesting component which only consumes a very low voltage and can produce a very high or very large audio output. And at the same time, it has a built circuit which is can directly connected to the gain, increasing the gain to 200 by only connecting the 10 microfarad capacitor to pin 1 and pin 8. And at the same time, it is different with other op amp, which is it has a built-in the ground system, and at the same time, it also allows the designer to create a better types of the audio output by using the declooping, coupling, or the bypass technique.